Hello my beautiful people, have you seen a stunning bride today? She looks absolutely gorgeous and she's glowing. So in this video I'm going to be giving you a detailed tutorial on how we achieved this special braid in front. It's called the Chadian braid, worn by the beautiful Chadian women of West Africa. It's going to be quick and simple, so let's get into this video. The first step is to make sure the hair is nicely straightened and silky, and then you go in to create your parting. So we're going with this part because we're aiming for a center part, and we're dividing the braid at the end into two parts. One side will go to the left and the other will go to the right. Next, you're dividing the main section of the hair into two equal parts and a tinier part. Now once you do that, you're going to take the tinier parts across the two equal parts that you have divided. When you take it to the right hand side, if you're starting with the top, when you take it to the left, you go under. After you go under, you bring the hair out and then cross it at the top and take it under to the other side. So it's just going in like opposite directions. So I'm taking it slowly. So let's see it from the top. Now you have taken the tinier part to the left. You're taking it across that portion there. Now you're going to take it under the next portion on the right. When you bring it out, make sure it's always firm because it can loosen out if you're not careful. So when you take it there, you're crossing it at the top, then it's going to the bottom of the other side. Now it's at the bottom, it's going to come to the top. Make sure it's always firm, and then you go under the next one. I think you can see it. It's clearer from this view. So you keep doing that slow and steady until you're so fast or you're used to doing it. But don't rush, take your time so you don't have to losing and start all over again. So just keep watching and you definitely grab it. Now because you're wrapping this tiny piece across the two bigger pieces, that tiny piece is going to get shorter. What do you do when it's getting shorter? You keep adding from each of them. So basically when you go to the right, you add small piece from the right, cross it to the left, you add small piece from the left, so that the left and right pieces are still maintaining their sizes. So when you take from both sides, you keep wrapping it. If you feel like you're running out of hair again, you keep adding until you get to your desired length. So we've gotten to the desired length of our Chadian braid, and now we have to like knot it so it doesn't loosen. Here you can use any technique of braid. You can either twist it, you can either wrap it like as if you're trying to do a forelocks, but basically you're trying to stop it from loosening. And because we're dividing this particular piece into two, since we have a center part, the left part is going to frame the hair to the left, and then the right side of the hair that we're going to create now is going to frame the hair to the right, thereby creating that center part. I don't know if that makes sense, but just watch and then you'll understand. At this point, your Chadian braid has already been secured, so you can continue with a twist or a braid all the way. So like braid the left all the way down, braid the right all the way down, so it frames up that center part. So here we're doing the nomad braid, like a mini nomad braid technique here, like just braiding the hair, and then we're braiding it all the way down. So you can repeat it, you can twist it if you feel like that would be best, or you can do a 3-strand braid, and then once you're done, you're going to use it to frame the hair on the left and on the right. Voila, we have the finished look. So we sectioned the left and the right into multiple sections, and then we kept braiding. Just freestyle, do you. She's absolutely stunning and she loves her look. Until next time, bye bye.